Hello everyone, Alloutdoor1 here. Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. I've had a good bank holiday weekend and I haven't run a competition in a while, and I just happen to have this little item sitting around. So as a thank you to all my subscribers, I'm running this giveaway competition of this Bonkers Chinese multi-tool. If you want a chance to win, then please be a subscriber obviously, and also leave a comment underneath saying that you want to enter the competition. So I guess you're all wondering what this thing looks like. It's quite a unique tool, so here we go, and this is what we have. This interesting combination of tools here. I bought this originally as a little lightweight all-in-one toolkit for the woods, and I thought it has some good kind of uses in that respect. So if we just have a quick look through everything, you have a very small kind of hatchet head which comes at a pretty decent level of sharpness in fact. On the other side you have a hammer. If we look further in, we also have some spring-loaded wire cutters, and finally in the handle we have some other quite handy wood tools. Here we have a straight edge blade. Again, comes at an okay level of sharpness, will need a little bit of work, but still usable. Next up we have a small saw, and I have actually tested this out once and it cuts pretty decent. So yeah, some pretty good performance out of this little thing, to be honest. Next up we have just a weird tool that I don't know why they stuck this on here. Just a very bizarre shape, but you have your Phillips head screwdriver medium. Next up we have a bottle opener and a set of wrenches, various sizes there, and a little notch here, not quite sure what that's for. I suppose you could strike a fire steel with it. And finally we have another little serrated blade. Actually really good serrations on here, cuts rope really nicely. And finally on the end here we have a flathead screwdriver. As you can see, it's finished in this, I'm not sure if it's actually wood or not. No, it's some kind of laminate. But yeah, finished with this kind of fake wooden kind of handle. Actually it looks pretty cool, I think. Unique kind of tool there. So to have a go at winning this Bonkers multi-tool, please leave a comment below the video saying that you wish to enter the competition. I'll be doing it in the form of a prize draw from a random number generator. Also, obviously this is only open to subscribers, and if you'd be so kind as to go and subscribe to my other channel, Alpha Bushcraft, I'd much appreciate it. So good luck to everyone, and look forward to receiving your entries. Signing out for now. Remember, the best survival tool is ingenuity. Take care for now.